Hi there, students. To accentuate, to accentuate, to make something more noticeable, to emphasize. She put on eyeliner to accentuate her eyes, to make them more noticeable. The large belt that she had round her waist accentuated how slim her waist was. Okay, so to accentuate, to draw attention to a particular feature, to make something very noticeable. Yeah, so the grey in my beard accentuates quite how old I really am. Okay, so to stress, to emphasize, to intensify, to exacerbate, to make stronger, to make more noticeable. Notice the word to accentuate can also just mean to be written with an accent. I really wish that the English language was accentuated. I wish it had accents because it would be much easier to read it. Yeah, it would be easier to teach it as well. Okay, so to put accent, is this word accentuated or not? Yeah, okay. Oh, to pronounce something with an accent or with vocal stress, but nearly always to accentuate, to make more noticeable. Yeah, to emphasize, to highlight, to underline, to spotlight, to underscore, to play up, to bring to the foreground, to draw attention to give prominence to something, to emphasize something, to look at something emphatically, to focus attention on something. Okay, this is the idea of to accentuate. You want to highlight something, you want to make it look more noticeable. So I believe that grapefruit juice accentuates the action of some pharmaceutical drugs, for example. Yeah. Okay. The darkness of the day was accentuated by the grey clouds overhead. It was clear. It was clearer. Okay, her sweet high voice accentuated her femininity. Yeah. If you do that, it will only accentuate the problem. It will make the problem more serious. Yeah, it will make it more problematic. Okay, so to accentuate, to add intensity to something. As a teacher, I need to accentuate the positive aspects of learning, the good things that learning can do for students, to intensify. This may accentuate feelings of insufficiency. Okay, so to accentuate, to add accent to add emphasis to make something stronger. So formality, accentuate. I think I'm going to give it a 6 point. I'm going to go with a 6 in formality. Use informally just about. Using a semi-formal conversation, great. Semi-formal or formal writing as well. It's a good word to use to draw attention to someone, to something, to amplify something. And then as to origin, okay, it comes from Latin accentuare, to emphasize, to accentuate, to stress. from Latin accentus, meaning a signal, yeah, an accent, a tone. So, to accentuate. Enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. To accentuate.